real lang Ash dress. I mean, it takes quite the, maturity ng samahan to really casually say it.
Yeah. Ako naman kasi it's like, the people we work with and the people that are important to us in our lives, we genuinely love them, right, MJ? You know what I mean? So, ako naman like, there is love for each other there naman because we've been working together and we've spent so much time with each other already talaga.
Wala pang 1 year, guys.
Wala pang 1 year,
Wala
pero
pang-
it's like we're together like for work every other day, so.
I heard, how's the journey, Ash, for you? Kasi we've been hearing from Andres.
Oo nga.
Tama.
Oo.
Ako, wala, parang kanina habang hindi pa kami nagsistart, sobrang kinakabahan talaga ako. Like, di ako makapagsalita talaga. Pero kasi na-realize, ngayon lang siya nagsisink in sa akin na first lead movie ko to, na basta pa masyado akong nabonggahan kanina, parang masyado ako na-overwhelmed. And sobrang thankful ako talaga na kasama ko, hindi lang sila direct, kundi kasama ko din si Andres.
Grabe, pero kahit na may mga personal kayong ganap, grabe rin yung suporta nyo sa isa't isa. Congratulations, by the way, Famas,
Thank you so much.
PNPC. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
more to come.